Next up, we're going to replace the breaker switch on this stair climber. Those are pretty simple fix. Make sure the battery's unplugged. Pretty easy. So we want to use this right here. That will go with our new breaker up there. So hang on one second. I'm going to take those two nuts off. I'll be back with you. All right, so now you see I got the wires off. Here's my ground. Ground always goes to the copper, and then your power goes over here. So it's pretty simple. Next is to take these two nuts off right here, which have two screws on the back. So it takes both hands, a Phillips screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. As if I can, there we go, those two screws. All right, thanks. So there you have it. There is the old breaker. So we'll get rid of that. And we're going to put a new one back on in the same spot. Pretty simple. Just line it back up just like this. Put your screws through both ends. And then put your nuts on and screw them back on. I'll be back with you when I do that. We've got the breaker back on. And here's your ground wire. Pretty simple. You have a little washer here to put on, star washer to put on there. And your nut. You want to orient this cable to where it's easy to connect these two wires together. It's not easy if it's way over here and you got to bend them. Line them up to where they're actually lined up with the wiring. Okay. This one here, do the same thing. Put that one on. Get your little star washer on there. And screw these back on. Then you want to make sure they're tightened up, nice and tight, nice and snug. It's easier for me to use a needle nose pliers in here to tighten those up. So that's how I do it. And then that's all you really have to do to put a new breaker switch on your Escalera. Thanks.